It's quite normal to fall in love with someone. Love often comes with a bit of jealousy, which might crumble our relationship. But how far can one go just cause of it? Today, let's look into the case of Yuka the Kauka, who gained massive popularity after committing attempted murder out of love. But what made her stand out from the rest? Let's see. Yuka the Kauka was born on January 28, 1998 in China. When she was 2 years old, her family moved to Japan and she became a Japanese citizen. She went to Taiko University studying childcare but dropped out in 2017 when she decided she would rather work than go to school. In 2018, she started working at a girls' bar. Girls' bars are a place where men pay money to drink and talk to young women. The men pay an entrance fee, then pay for drinks and the company of the female. In October 2018, she met Phoenix Luna, who also used to work in a horse bar in the Kabukicho red light district. Horse bar is similar to girls' bar as women can choose the horse they want to drink with. A native of Tochigi Prefecture, Phoenix wound up in an institution as an elementary school student after the members of his family went their separate ways. He entered the construction industry upon graduation from middle school. At a point, he even became homeless. He gradually ended up working in a horse bar. He visited Yuka's bar once. It must have been during this time that Yuka became interested in Phoenix as she decided to visit his horse club. Luna started sending Yuka private messages on Twitter and invited her to his club. Hosts make more money when the clients come specifically to the club to meet them. So Yuka often ended up visiting him, and as per reports, she spent up to 1 million yen or $10,000 a week just to date him. He ended up being in the top 3 hosts in the club. They decided to take their relationship forward. They moved into an apartment together on May 28, 2019. But soon things started messing up. She started speculating that he was cheating on her. On May 23rd, 3 days after moving in, he planned to assist her with cleaning. However, he arrived 3 hours late due to his work. Since he was tired, he decided to take a bath, whereupon he fell asleep. Meanwhile, Yuka went through his phone and found his picture with the girl. After the bath, he went to bed. He woke up after he got an uncomfortable feeling in his stomach. When he looked up, he saw a knife protruding and a lot of blood. Strangely, he felt no pain but was shocked and frightened. He somehow mustered up his courage and fled. She chased him over and ran out of the front door. He managed to get into an elevator and reached the lobby where he fell unconscious as he lost a lot of blood. A passerby managed to call the police and thankfully Phoenix survived, despite his chance of survival was just 20% due to the severe wound in his liver. Now, what made Yuka famous? When police arrived, Luna had somehow made it down 5 floors into the lobby. He was drenched in blood with his abdomen sliced open. Luca was beside him, sitting calmly with a cigarette and talking over the phone. This scene get a lot of attention. Several photographs were taken of a evil grin while sitting in the backseat of a patrol car while being taken away from the scene. She gained popularity as a real-life incarnation of a yandere character from the world of anime. Yandere is a female character in anime that usually takes the form of a schoolgirl who eventually becomes aggressive and homicidal in pursuit of love. They often outlet their emotions through aggression and extreme violence. Her social media had pictures of her doing cosplays of yandere characters. What made it even more weird is that police found Yuka's writing in her diary using his blood, which translates to "I liked you so much, I wanted to kill you." She intended to take her own life after his death pure out of jealousy. She thought that would be the only way they could be together. She told the police that she couldn't help it since she loved him so much. a memorandum written in a phone read, I want to be a tragic heroine. How is it possible for him to look at a woman other than me? I know killing is for the best. If I kill, it will be eternal, and there will be no pain after. I don't need anything other than you. This clearly shows her mindset. On December 3rd, 2019, Yuka was found guilty of attempted murder. Surprising everyone, Yuna appeared and said that he didn't hold any grudge against her and pleaded for a less sentence. He even apologized for cheating on her. She was sentenced for 3 years and 6 months in prison and a fine of 5 million yen. She will be released in 2023. Yuka went back to his work in the club, and this incident gained him a lot of popularity and helped him to receive more sales than before. He was also happy as he was able to unite with his older brother and older sister after 5 years, which would not have happened if this didn't take place. What do you think about this case? Leave your opinions below.